name's Emma, and I'm here to show you how to make the rope bowl craft for this month. You'll be given some rope, a needle, and some embroidery thread. The first thing you're going to want to do is tie a knot at the end of your rope just so it doesn't fray. And also this is going to be the start of our base. And what you're going to want to do is after you've tied that knot, you will thread your embroidery thread and put a knot at the end of it. You will then thread your needle through the knot and pull it through. And then as you pull it through, you will start to wind the rope in a spiral around that knot. And you're going to want to kind of secure it by threading straight through in the middle section of the rope until you get a decent sized base. And this is what mine ended up looking like when you kind of get it started. The first couple of loops you can go straight through the middle, but then as it starts to get wider, you might want to try to secure it with the thread going around the loops instead of through them. So you can see that the thread has kind of started to loop around the previous rope and the current rope, and then you'll just continue to spiral that and secure it with the thread until you feel like you've gotten a wide enough base. And so that is how you're gonna get your base started. Once you feel like you've got a pretty good base, instead of wrapping the rope around it like a spiral, you will wrap the rope on the top of the last rope spiral that you did. So instead of like this, you will put it on top of the base and start securing it with your needle and thread. And you can go through in between the loops, however you wanna start securing those to the top. It will look a little funky at first, but once it starts forming, it'll become basically a little tube, and you can shape the rope however you'd like. You can have it flare out, you can have it just be a solid tube. The creativity here is really just in how you want to shape the rope. And then you can see it's already starting to form a little lip where we've secured it on top. This is the little miniature version of the bowl that I whipped up to show you what it would look like. So you can see there's my base, I've secured it around the knot and spiraled it, and then I shaped a tube going up. And you can get as creative as you want. You can make it a flared base so it can come out more, or you can just do a typical, straight up of the sides. And yeah, I look forward to seeing what you guys create and what little knickknacks you put in this. Another great alternative for this craft, if the needle and thread isn't working out for you, is getting a glass jar or cup and using a hot glue gun to make the base and sides. And then you can use the thread as more of a decorative accent instead of the thing that's structurally holding it together. Happy crafting, everyone!